Welcome to Best Productly.
10 Best Digital Super Automatic Espresso Machine. We are going to check out top 10 best digital super automatic espresso machine in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this digital super automatic espresso machine, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Delonghi La Specialista Espresso Machine with Sensor Grinder, Dual Heating System, Advanced Latte System and Hot Water Spout for Americano Coffee or Tea, Stainless Steel. Sensor Grinding Technology. Exclusive sexing technology delivers precise, consistent grinding and the optimal dose for espresso every time. Plus, the bean sensor ensures you'll never run out of beans while grinding. The Smart Tamping Station. Simply pull the lever to tamp the ground coffee with the right pressure for perfect results. There's no need to remove the portafilter, so you get to enjoy a mess-free experience for espresso made right. TM. Active temperature control with dual heating system. The best temperature stability for optimal coffee extraction and milk texturing. One thermoblock for extracting coffee and an independent heating system for steaming milk or frothing.
Top 9.
Philips Kitchen Appliances 4300 fully automatic espresso machine with Latte Go, one size. Enjoy 8 delicious coffees at your fingertips. Latte Go creates silky smooth froth and is our fastest clean milk system ever. Intuitive TFT display with icons makes it easy to customize the length, strength, and temperature of your coffee. 2 user profiles to save your favorite coffee settings. Aroma extract system provides the perfect temperature.
Top 8.
Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine, brushed stainless steel medium. The Breville Barista Pro delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Dose control grinding with a single touch. The integrated precision conical Burr grinder with dose control delivers the right amount of coffee on demand for maximum flavor. Optimal water pressure. Low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Faster heat-up time. Innovative thermojet heating system achieves the optimum extraction temperature in 3 seconds with the instantaneous transition from espresso to steam.
Top 7.
Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine, brushed stainless steel. The Breville Barista Touch delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Dose control grinding with a single touch. The integrated precision conical Burr grinder with dose control delivers the right amount of coffee on demand for maximum flavor. Optimal water pressure. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup.
Top 6.
Delonghi Dinamica TrueBrew over Ice TM. Fully automatic coffee and espresso machine with premium adjustable frother. The first and only fully automatic coffee machine with Delonghi TrueBrew over Ice coffee technology. The TrueBrew process delivers smooth, full-bodied iced coffee. Dinamica with Delonghi TrueBrew over Ice feature is the first and only fully automatic coffee and espresso machine with iced coffee recipe. By brewing at a lower temperature, pre-infusing and infusing the coffee and offering the ability to customize to extra strong, Delonghi TrueBrew over Ice brews smooth, full-bodied coffee over ice that is never watered down. Heat up time in less than 40 seconds. With Italian 15-bar high-performance pump and a brew unit that takes only 40 seconds to heat up, you can have coffee shop quality coffee beverages with the push of a button.
Top 5.
Delonghi Dinamica Automatic Coffee and Espresso Machine, TrueBrew Iced Coffee, Burr Grinder plus Descaling Solution, Cleaning Brush and Bean-shaped Icecube Tray, White. The TrueBrew process delivers smooth, full-bodied iced coffee by brewing at a lower temperature, pre-infusing, and infusing the coffee over ice that's never watered down. Heat up time in less than 40 seconds with Italian 15-bar high-performance pump, and it takes only 40 seconds to heat up the machine and start brewing. Brew the freshest coffee. With bean-to-cup brewing system and a breakthrough built-in steel Burr grinder, enjoy the freshest cup of coffee every time. Integrated adjustable manual frother allows you to customize steam and foam levels for rich, creamy, long-lasting lattes and cappuccinos with no barista experience required.
Top 4.
Delonghi Eletta Black Cappuccino Top Digital Super Automatic Machine with LatteCrema System. Stainless steel grinder. Energy saving switch. Water filtration system. Hot water spout for
Top 3.
Delonghi Eletta Digital Super Automatic Espresso Machine with LatteCrema System, Black. Fresh espresso for every cup. The integrated Burr grinder with adjustable settings grinds fresh beans every time to ensure maximum freshness. You can also use pre-ground in the second chamber. your choice of regular, specialty, or decaf. The Delonghi LatteCrema system creates perfectly layered espresso beverages with dense, rich, long-lasting foam in every cup from start to finish. Consistent brewing every time each cup is automatically brewed to the perfect temperature, richness, and density. And you can customize the settings to ensure it's always just the way you like it.
Top 2.
Delonghi Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine with an adjustable grinder, double boiler, milk frothermaker for brewing espresso, cappuccino, latte, macchiato, and flat white Eletta. Multifunctional super automatic espresso coffee machine with a patented automatic cappuccino system that delivers a tasty barista quality cappuccino, cafe latte, latte macchiato, hot milk, flat white in less than 3 minutes. Can be used with either coffee beans or ground coffee for preparation of 2 cups of coffee within a single brewing cycle. Professional brew 2 cups of magic drink simultaneously with top-of-the-line Delonghi bean-to-cup brews 2 cups. Great brewing without having to learn how to be a barista. This fully automated machine has an integrated silent coffee grinder with 13 adjustable grinding settings, a bypass doser, a pump generating up to 15 bars of pressure, a water filter, a double boiler system, and automatic milk frother.
Top 1.
Breville Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, Oracle Touch Black. Swipe, select. Enjoy with automation at every stage. Simply swipe and select for espresso, long black, latte, flat white, or cappuccino, and enjoy cafe quality coffee at home. Dose amount. The integrated conical Burr grinder automatically grinds, doses and tamps 22 grams of coffee, similar to the commercial machine in your favorite cafe. Precise water temperature. The difference between an ashy or balanced tasting espresso can be caused by temperature change as little as 20°F. The Oracle Touch uses digital temperature control, PID technology. This ensures the temperature is kept at its optimum range. Optimal water pressure. The overpressure valve, OP, is a commercial feature included in the Oracle Touch. This limits the maximum pressure throughout the extraction, helping prevent bitter flavors in the coffee shop.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.